Good afternoon, children. Class 8th Max. Class 8 Max 4th chapter Exponents and Powers. What is the 4th chapter here? Exponents and powers. So we'll see what is the exponent and what is the power. So exponent and power both are the same. Exponent and power both are the same thing. So we will write here. So suppose 2 into 2 into 2. So what happened here? I wrote 2 for 3 times. I wrote here 2 for 3 times. So I will write as here 2 power 3. How I am reading, Sinana? 2 power 3. 2 power 3. So here 2 I will take as the base. Here 2 is the base and exponent is the 3. Right? Exponent is the 3. So exponent is 3. Base is 2 here. Base is 2. Exponent is 3. So if I am reading this here 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3. Reading purpose I am using the term power. Writing purpose I am writing the term exponent. Is it clear? So if not only this, if we take one more example, a into a into a into a into a. So how many times the a contains? So 5 times. A contains 5 times. In this 5 times, what is the base here? Base is a. What is the exponent here? Exponent is 5. What is the exponent, beta? Exponent is 5. Base is a. We'll see now exercise 4.1. We'll see the exercise 4.1 in this chapter. So what is here exercise 4.1? So part 1. So what is the first bit given? Simplify and give reasons. Simplify and give reasons. Simplify and give reasons. So what is the first term here? 4 power minus 3. 4 power minus 3. So how we will write here 4 power minus 3? 4 is having with the negative power. 4 is having with the negative power. How I can write here? See, given 4 power minus 3. 4 is consisting of negative power. 4 is having the negative power. So I am making this reciprocal to make it as a positive power. So it will becomes 1 by 4 power 3. Since what is the formula we are using here? A power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by a power n. 1 by a power n. So 1 by 4 is having for 3 times. 4 into 4 into 4. Multiply. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are how much, Nana? 64. So 1 by 64 is the problem for the first one. So second one. So what is here? Second one was given here. Minus 2 power 7. Minus 2 power 7. Here what happened? Minus 2 is multiplying for 7 times. Minus 2 is multiplying for 7 times. Given minus 2 whole power 7. So minus 2 is multiplying for 7 times. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Now see, Nana. Multiply first minus. Minus into minus. Plus. Plus into minus. Minus. Minus into minus. Plus. Plus into minus. Minus. Minus into minus. Plus. Plus into minus is minus. The final term is here minus. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. 2 2s are 4. 32 4s are how much, beta? For 128. 32 4s are how much, Nana? 128 is the answer. Next, third one. What is here third problem given as here? 3 by 4. 3 by 4 whole power minus 3. 3 by 4 whole power minus 3. So this is having with negative power. So 3 by 4 whole power minus 3, since a by b whole power minus m formula what Nana? We will get b by a whole power m. b by a whole power m. So 3 by 4 will becomes 4 by 3 whole power 3. 4 by 3 whole power 3. So here 4 by 3 consisting of how many times? 3 times. 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 into 4 by 3. Multiply Nana. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 64 by 27 is the answer. Next, we'll see the second bit now. Second bit. So what is the second bit here given as? Simplify the following. Simplify the following. So what is here? How to simplify your first problem here? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 whole power 4 into 1 by 2 whole power 5 into 1 by 2 whole power 6. So here if we observe here, how the bases are given here? 1 by 2 whole power 4, 1 by 2 whole power 5, 1 by 2 whole power 6. Here bases are same. Here bases are same. So it is in the form of a power m into a power n. So what is the formula Nana? A power m plus n. What is the formula? A power m plus n. That is 1 by 2 power 4 plus 5 plus 6. So 1 by 2 power 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. So 1 by 2 whole power 15 is the answer. Second one. So what is your second one given as? Minus 2 power 7 into minus 2 power 3 into minus 2 power 4. Minus 2 power 4. Solution given minus 2 power 7, minus 2 power 3, minus 2 power 4. So it is here, if we observe the question, what happens here? Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Bases are same. Bases are same. We'll add the power, since it is in the form of a power m into a power n is nothing but a power m plus n. That is minus 2 power 7 plus 3 plus 4. Minus 2 power 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Minus 2 power 14 is the answer for the second problem. Third one we'll see. So what is the third problem here? 4 power 4 into 5 by 4 whole power 4. 5 by 4 whole power 4. Solution 4 power 4 into 5 by 4 whole power 4. I can write as 5 power 4, 4 power 4. I am separating, since a by b whole power m is nothing but a power m by b power m. I am separating the powers. So 4 power 4, 4 power 4 cancel. Left with 5 power 4. Next, fourth problem. So what is here fourth problem given? 5 power minus 4 by 5 power minus 6 into 5 power 3. So 5 power minus 4. So here it is having negative powers. Negative powers means I am interchanging, I am making as positive. 5 power 6 by 5 power 4 into 5 power 3. Is it clear? 5 power 6, 5 powers. So since a power minus n is nothing but 1 by a power n. So 1 by a power minus n is nothing but a power n is the formula. So 5 power 6 into 5 power 6 by 5 5 power 4 into 5 power 3. So 5 power, so 5 is having for here 6 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Here 5 is having for 4 times. Into here 3 times. So cancel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 5s left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So what is the answer, Nana? 5 power 5. 5 power 5 is the answer. This is the second bit. So in this exercise, 4.1 exercise, and I completed first bit, second bit. We'll see the part 2 in third bit.